Hello, welcome to another Mechanic Matt video. Today I have a Renault Scenic and this one's got an airbag light on. It says check airbag on the dash and I've got my scan tool connected. I'll show you what I found. There's the check airbag and I'm plugged in here. Let's see what we've got. Read the codes, I've already read them. I've got this one here, it's a DTC907E52 and it's active and it's comp locked. I don't know if that means computer or component, but I'll guess computer is locked. And if I hit the snowflake to get a freeze frame, it doesn't tell me anything. The other one I've got in the memory is a DTC908049 and that just says computer, so it doesn't give me a lot to go on here. I have had a look in the live data, and when I went into all signals and I look down here, computer must be replaced, and it says yes, computer locked by tool. Don't know what tool what tool locked it. I've changed the auto layout for this launch X431V. This is an older scan tool that I've got, and this one looks like I can write a VIN in it, so maybe if we get a new airbag module I would be able to write it. I'm not going to write it in this one because it's saying that it's not letting me come out of it now. It's not, it's still got the original one. There's the VIN at the bottom right there. So I could just put that in there. And, well, that's disappeared now that I've got this keyboard up. So I'll take a picture of it, write the VIN in, and see what happens. I'm not expecting it to change it, though, because it's still the same VIN. I need to get a VIN that's, a computer or module that's not faulty, put it on the car. Maybe it's just a certain age, I don't know. I got this car with the airbag, and back at the car, the module's right down there, under there, see it poking out there, so you have to take a fair bit of stuff out the way. I can't remember what I showed in the last video, but there's the VIN on the car. 5986 is the last four, and here we've got 32357 because it's off a scrapyard. So I'm going to try and make it match. Okay, how did I do this again? Let's read the codes first of all. Right, some of those are going to be for the old car. Right, let's try and get rid of those, which I might not be able to do with the engine running, but the battery was getting low, so let's try that. Yeah, it's actually worked. The main thing is straight away the light on the dash, the airbag light, and the message has gone, right? And that's what we're here for. Those lights are gone. So we're good. So, was it in special function or configuration? I can't remember. The right VIN, there it is, right VIN. So now we just write the VIN. So I've got, is it the same? F? No, bad start. In fact, I'll just come back to you after I've wrote this. You don't need to see me write it. This is doing something different with it switched off. You're going to configure the vehicle VIN so you can't reverse it. Okay, let's do that. So the VIN code is that, and it ends 65986. Yeah, that's the same one. And it's done. So now if I come out of this, let's just check the fault codes whilst we're here again. You gotta switch the ignition off and on, I think. The battery's getting low. Let's see if I can get into that. It might have timed me out on the module. Yeah, I'm just gonna start the car for this, because the battery's getting low. So, I got it all in pieces. There we go. No airbag light. So it's almost plug and play, except if you want to change the VIN to be sure, 65986, 659, yeah, I got it now, happy with that. I'll just recheck the DTCs, no fault codes, we're done, just got to build it up.